All right, guys, welcome back to the second video of the New Level Trading Strategy series. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add all four indicators that we use for this strategy to your MT4 charts. And remember, the four indicators that we use is the 0.0 trading support and resistance indicator, a 36 period moving average. We use Heiken Ashi candlesticks, and last but not least, we use a stochastic momentum oscillator. Let's go ahead and add these to the chart. First thing we're going to add, guys, is the 0.0 support and resistance indicator. So we go right here where the indicator sits. We're going to go ahead and drag it onto the chart. Okay. Now, I already got these settings saved for this indicator. So I'm just going to go to the settings, but then I'm going to show you guys what the settings are. So I'm going to go ahead and load it up. It's right here. As you can see, let's go ahead and make some adjustments. So we want the time frame, we want to change that to current. Price level density, you can either change it to low or you can change it to medium low, right? Most of the time I keep it on medium low unless I go to a smaller time frame for whatever reason. I may switch it to low because it has a tendency applying a lot of support and resistance lines, and I'm only looking for major levels of support. Okay. Now, also with this indicator, you'll see the short-term color. I mark it as none because this is a swing trading strategy. I'm only looking for big moves, 100 pips or more, that I don't really need to see short-term support and resistance. Not really interested in trading those. So I'm going to just stroll down here. The label font size should be 8 because it's going to label the age of the support or resistance line. Also, where it says display alerts, let's go ahead and turn that on. Let me close this out. But let's go ahead and turn that to true. Alrighty. So here we go again. I'm just going to stroll through, show you guys all of the settings. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Well, make sure that the DLL import's on. Hit OK. And you should see this, appear on the chart. As you can see, here are the support and resistance lines for the daily time frame, automatically plotted on the chart, and they're pretty good. Support, major level of resistance, major level of support or resistance, same here, same here. All right. So the next indicator that we're going to add to this chart is going to be the 36 period moving average. So let's go on to trends. Let's go ahead and find the moving average trend indicator, slide it onto the chart. As you can see, it's already preset because that's the indicator that I use, 36 period exponential moving average. And also I apply it to the close, so it hugs price. And the color I just use is red. Again, no levels that need to be added. Make sure you can view it all time frames, so you can get it on, you'll see it on all time frames. Simply hit OK. Now on this chart so far, we have the 36 period moving average as well as the support and resistance indicators. All right. Now for the third indicator that we use for this trading strategy would be the Heiken Ashi candlesticks. So let me show you guys how you put those on the chart and you apply the settings. Here we go. So again, I drag it onto the chart. Make sure where it says allow DL imports, these both are selected right here. Now I have this already preset, but I'm going to go ahead, since it's a real easy indicator to set, I'm going to go ahead and just change this white to dark green for my bull candlestick, and for my bull candlestick body, change this dark green also, because I like red and green charts. So and believe it or not, that's it. Just make sure you see it on all time frames. Inputs are in. DLR imports are checked. Hit OK. Now, as you can see, it switches the candlesticks. It makes it a little bit cleaner. But what you want to do is, under this Heiken Ashi candlestick, you have the traditional Japanese candlesticks. So what you want to do is you want to change that Japanese candlestick here to the bar candle. Now it gives it a really clean look. Filters out all of the noise. Look at this. Long trend right here. Keeps you in the trend longer. Right? We'll go over that a little bit more once we start trading the strategy. All right. Now, next, last but not least, our last indicator for this chart. Simple stochastic indicator. Drag it onto the chart. Under common, make sure we're both boxes are checked. Inputs, I use a 5, 3, and 3 stochastic. Very simple. Colors, again, red, dark green. I like those colors. Width, number 2. Width, number 2, because I like to see it really clear. Visualization on all time frames. Boom, there it is. Hit OK. Once again, it's on. Drag it down a little bit, and that's your chart. That's your chart. Really easy, really clean looking, not too much going on onto the chart. As you can see, I have the support and resistance for the most part is set to a really light gray, so it doesn't crowd the chart. The thing that stands out most on the chart is price. That's what I'm interested in. I use the indicators to confirm what I already believe or what I already think price is doing. That's why it sits in the background, not in the foreground. All right, guys. So here is the chart. If you guys have any questions, concerns, if you want me to send you the support and resistance indicator, either comment below this video with your email address and letting me know you want the indicator. I'll go ahead and email it over to you. All right. You guys have a good night. That's all.